Hello, it's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Monday, and we have a 3-layer cake. Surprise! We have our routines. We have our basic weekly plan. Today is Monday, so that's weekly home blessing hour. And we have our zone. We're in zone 3, the main bathroom, and one other room. So here we go. Routines. If you're working, you're going to get up this morning. You're going to get up before the family and do your morning routine. And then after you've done your morning routine, the children are going to do their morning routine. And then you're going to leave after checking for clutter and delegating a household duty, one of the 5 weekly home blessing hour things beside your bed. Okay, so one of those things. And then when you get to work, you're going to call your children at lunch to remind them, him, her, or them, of that duty. And then you're going to kind of look at your week and plan it out and make sure that you have one duty a day planned for them for 10 minutes. If a child is old enough to stay at home alone, they are old enough to do one of these duties. If your children are small, then you're going to be taking care of that when you get home today. 10 minutes. Okay. Next, we're going to come home. You're going to start your laundry when you get home, go through an inch of paper if you still have paper clutter. Remember, if you don't have paper clutter, to keep that at bay by going through all the paper that comes in your home every day, making the quick decisions of handle, file, or destroy, and take care of that. Okay, next you're going to start supper. While supper is holding, you're going to work your basic weekly plan item, which is weekly home blessing hour if you haven't delegated that or your children are too small or you don't have anyone. So 10 minutes. What I'd like you to do today is wipe down the spots on the glass. 10 minutes. It probably won't take that long. Next, we're going to do your zone, the main bathroom and one other room. That means the hall bathroom. So in that bathroom, you're going to do whatever needs to be done. Do you need to scrub the tub? That's a quickie. You can get that done, or the shower. Or do you need to clean out under the cabinets? Or do you need to wash the rugs in the bathroom? I know, what are you doing? One thing, 4 days this week in your bathroom or one other room. So you're going to not do both in one day. You're going to pick that. So I suggest 2 days in the bathroom if it needs it, and 2 days in the other room. And so what's another room? It's one of the rooms that aren't listed in your zone. So it could be a playroom, it could be a children's room, it could be a family, like a den if you have a living room or a family room in a den. It could be the den, it could be the back porch if it's closed in, it could be a craft room, it can be a guest room, it could be a laundry room, just any other room. You're going to pick one and you're going to work on it for 2 to 3 days this week. And that means that you're going to do one deep clean item in that room each of those 2 to 3 days. Or if it's cluttered, work for 15 minutes decluttering the room and then completing it by throwing away, putting away, and throwing away. Okay? That's what you're going to do. So you're going to do 10 minutes of the weekly home blessing hour item, wiping the glass, and you're going to do 10 to 15 minutes in your zone. Okay? And then you're going to finish making supper or serving supper, and then we're all are going to come together for the after dinner routine. So let me go catch up with the at-home fly babies. At home, you're going to get up in the morning and do your morning routine. After that, the children's routine. After that, the laundry. After that, an inch of paper. Now we can get on with our weekly home blessing hour, which takes 1 hour, going as fast as you can. If your children are older, they can help you divide and conquer. You can get it done in 30 minutes, 20 minutes, 15 minutes, depending on how many kids there are. All right, after the weekly home blessing hour, then we're going to work in our zone 3, the main bathroom and one other room. So today, let's work in that bathroom for 10 to 15 minutes, depending on what you need to do. And then after that, tomorrow you can work either in the bathroom again or in that room that you've chosen for this month to be your other room. All right, after that, we're going to start supper, and now we're going to all join together after dinner with the after dinner routine, strength in numbers. Here we are, all our kids are helping us clean the kitchen in this happy time. And then after that, everyone enjoys the rest of the evening. You're going to do your third and final clutter check, and then you're going to give the 30-minute reminder and then the 5-minute reminder for before bed, and then it's time for the kids to do their before bed routine, which includes picking up all their stuff including the plates and bowls and spoons that they've used. And those are either going to be taken care of by them hand washing them if they're older, you're hand washing them if they're younger, but they're bringing them to the kitchen, or they're going in the dishwasher. Then all their toys are put up, all their wires are put up, all their games are put up, all the blankets are put up, everything's put where it goes, everything has a home. Then they're going to pick out their pajamas, they're going to go and pick out a book, then they're going to go take their bath, they're going to put their dirty clothes in the dirty clothes, they're going to put on their pajamas, they're going to brush their teeth, take care of their hair, wipe out the sink, hang up their hand towel, hang up their bath towel so it can air out, making sure that you are being careful to give them places to hang these things that they can reach and have a positive outcome. And also the toys out of the tub. Some of this will require you doing it, some of this will require them doing it, some of this will just require you inspecting what you expect for the older children. And then time for bed, read your books, and then bedtime. Now it's time for you. Here's your before bed routine. You are going to check your planner. After that, you're going to lay out your clothes based on what you have to do tomorrow. Then after that, you're going to go in the kitchen, wipe out the sink, put out a fresh towel, run the dishwasher if you need to. Then you're going to close the curtains, blinds, turn off the lights, those kinds of things. You're going to take your shower or bath, take care of your hair, take care of your skin by moisturizing after you clean your face, put on your pajamas, take care of your clothes from today, either dirty clothes or hang up. Go to bed, read or listen to or watch or talk or whatever it is for the next few minutes, maybe up to 30, depending on when you go to bed and when you need to go to sleep. And then when it's time for you to go to sleep, roll over, snuggle in, go to sleep, and we'll see you in the morning. That's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous Monday, and always remember that you are beautiful.